Natural Fruits Popsicles. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making natural fruit popsicles. These are natural fruit popsicles. They have no added sugar. They are very healthy for children. These are 4 flavors of natural fruits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy and healthy recipes. Coconut water, orange juice, mango juice, apple juice. First popsicle of coconut water with coconut chunks. Add basil seeds, second orange juice, third mango juice with mango chunks, fourth apple juice with apple chunks, leave it to cool well for 6 to 8 hours. Dip the popsicle in water of room temperature and remove them easily. Which popsicle do you like? Be sure to let us know in the comments. Alhamdulillah, final done healthy sugar-free popsicles. If you like our recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment.